girl.
That's how you call your worm?
Mhm. It's called Inchy
Okay. And where do they live?
and holes.
Oh. Do birds eat them?
They can't eat Inchy.
They can't?
No.
Why not? They think they're yummy yummy. Birds like to eat worms.
Well, they can't eat Inchy's family.
They can't?
No, because because there's- they're green.
They're green?
Yeah.
Well, what are the birds going to eat?
Different worms.
Different worms, not Inchi's family?
No,
Okay.
only different ones.
All right.
Sometimes they bite me.
Who does?
Those birds.
Sometimes birds bite you?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Go away, birds. Go to your house.
And do they listen?
Yeah, that is. Mhm. And I do this. My spells to them.
Your spells?
Yeah.
Your magic powers?
Uh-huh.
How do you do them? Do it to mommy. Whoa.
We watch my show.
Sure.
I want princess, please.
The princess show.
Yeah.